jumping. First of all, is market is like a business. So in every business, okay, wonderful. So in every business, you're supposed to analyze the market, know what type of products people want in a particular area that you are in. You don't just wake up and sell anything because you think you want to sell, but you sell what people want to buy. And that's how the forex market too is like. You always have to study the market, know what's going on, then now you hit on the spot where people would like to purchase. Then that's when you make money. But if you do the opposite, then you will lose a lot of money. That's how simple this is. So, first of all, I would like to teach you the candlesticks before, because that's what you see first before you see the structures. You see the candlestick first. And every candlestick has a meaning. Every candlestick has a meaning. They are not just there because they just formed itself or the candle just formed itself. No, every formation has a meaning. So, for instance, this one, let me take this one and put it aside. For instance, this very one, this top, okay, I'm going. This one, this top, like a line, it's called a wick. This one is called a wick. This is called a wick. This one is called a body, and this is also a wick. The down part too is a wick. So we have the upper wick and we have the lower wick, and we have the body. And everybody comes about when we have an open and a close of price. So this candle, which has a wick, a body, and another wick, can be a 1 minute candle. It can be a 2 minute candle. It can be 1 hour candle. It can be 4 hour candle. What does that mean? What is 1 hour candle? What is 2 minutes candle? What is 5 minutes candle? It means that when you say 5 minutes, 1 hour, 2 minutes, they are time frames. And every time frames, so these are the time frames. I will say this is 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30, 1 hour, 4 hour, daily, 1 week, 1 month. So 1 month means that every candle is a 1 month. Like it takes 1 month for a candle to form like this. Then before another one will be created, let me say another one like this will be formed again. It takes 1 month. That means when you are in the 1 month zone, when you click on 1 month, every candle you see is a 1 month candle. Each of them took 1 month before it closed, it formed fully. If you go to weekly, each of them took 1 week before it formed fully, from Sunday to Saturday before it closed, and another one came. If you go to daily, every single day, 24 hours, one is formed. If you go to 4 hour, every 4 hour in a day, one is formed. So you get on daily candle where you get one candle for 1 day, that same candle produces 6 of this, because 6 4 is 24. So you get 6 4 hour candles in one daily candle. That's how it is. And you get 7 daily candles in 1 week candle. That's how simple it is. So every candle has a body, a wick, and another wick. Perhaps sometimes it doesn't even have a wick, which is like it becomes like this. Now the wick also shows something. Wicks are that they tell us the past of a price. They tell us where price has been before price close. They tell us where it has been before. So with this, what I can say is that, let's say price price opened at this level, it went up to this level, it couldn't stand there, then price came back down and entered this level, came to this side, it couldn't also close there. So before, let me say you're using 1 hour candle. So before 1 hour will reach, let's say by 50, maybe let's say in 50 minutes time, it came here, then it closed on the 60 minutes time. So the wick shows a pattern that price has been here before, but it didn't stay there. It went back to another place before closing. That's it for the wicks. The wicks tell us the past of a particular candle. Sometimes we don't have a past. The price just opens from here, then continues to here. Then in 1 hour times, it just closes. It doesn't have a price. It doesn't even show any shadow. So wicks are also called shadows. It doesn't show any shadows. So this is it. So let's see an example here. I'm coming. Okay. Let me go here. Okay, so now we are dealing with a 1 hour candle. Sorry, this is a 4 hour. That's why the blue is there. We can go here and daily. Okay, let's say daily candles. So this is a daily candle. So on a daily candle, we see a wick. This one here is a wick. This one is a wick, which shows that price opened at this level, went up to this level, came back down, and went deep down to this level before going back here, then closing. Even right now, it's 1 day, so it hasn't closed yet. If you check here, you see that the time is, hello? Do you want to say something? Or I want to ask a question? Okay. So it came back here, then went back up. You can see that we have 2 hours left, 2 hours, 6 minutes left for this candle to close. If you check your time, you see that that's 7 o'clock there. And price time, the market closes at 10. Yes, it closes at 10 p.m. Then opens again around 11. That's how it is. So that's 24 hours going. So by that 2 o'clock elapsing, this candle will close and another one will form. Just like this closed and this one formed. That's as simple as it is. So these are candlesticks. Candlesticks. But we have different types of candlesticks. We have different types of candlesticks. I'm coming, I want to teach you that one. We have different types of candlesticks. And for me, I use only two. I use only two candlestick formation. I use only two candlesticks. I use the morning star, / evening star. Sorry. / evening star. Then I use the engulfing candles. Then I use the engulfing. So these are and the engulfing candles, there are two. We have bearish and bullish engulfing. So I use the bearish. Let me write it like that so that you understand. So the bearish / bullish engulfing candles. So bearish / bullish engulfing candles. So I use these 4 candlesticks to tell me where the market will be going to. Then I jump in. What is a morning star? So the morning star forms when let's take this one for instance. So this one becomes smaller, a little bit smaller. In the middle, then we have this one as well. A wick here. Let's say something like that. A wick here, another wick here. Okay. Okay. Good. So this one is the morning star. Without this one, this is a morning star. So the morning star forms when we have a red candle, or let's say a bearish candle. So bearish candles are candles that shows that market is going downwards. So for this one, market is going down. My bearish candle is what? The black ones, sorry, the deep ash. And my bullish candle is the blues. So the blues tells me that price is going up. So the more blues and the less red shows that price is going up. So I have to keep buying. That's how it is. So this is a morning star. A morning star shows a downward candle and then another small candle in the middle. Then an upward candle comes and close. So example of a morning star is this one. You see, after it happened, price started going up. This one. This one. You see? You see, let me close it because I've shown you what it is. You see, we have a bearish candle, which is a downward candle, ash. Then another one came with a small body. I told you this is a body. Another one came with a small body. Then a bigger up candle came, which is the blue candle. So this one is a morning star. So this is where I would tend to what? Buy, because it's a signal for me and it's on my zone. So I would rather buy from this place and look at price. It's going up. That's how it is. And this one is a bullish candle, which is the evening star. It's the opposite of a morning star, and you have an evening star. So I'll be putting the definitions on the platform because I can't explain everything here. I'll be putting the definitions on the platform. So I want us, for the sake of time, I want us to also look at the structure. I want us to look at structures. So for the structures, as I told you, before you enter into a market, you have to know what the market is doing. If you come to Ghana, you don't come and sell what Ghanaians are not buying. Don't come and sell things that other people are selling their country and you think here today will buy. They will not buy it because that's not what they eat. You see, but you sell what they eat, then that's when you make money. You sell what they lack, which is their problem, then you make money. So now when you enter into the financial market, what do you see? What you see is what you deal with. So some people will be like, go with the trend, go with the flow. So this is a trend, and we call it an uptrend. Uptrend means that the market is moving towards the upside. In as much as we see a retracement, like price going down, pushing up, going down, pushing up, it started from here and it's ending up here. That means it's uptrend. No matter what, is going up. But here is a downtrend. You see the same thing here, the down, the up, the down, the up, but you can see that there's more down than up. So price continuously move from this level to the down level. That's a downtrend. Okay, let's see it on the chart. I want us to see it on the chart. I want to give you a chart that I'm using. I hope you're understanding. Okay, so here we have an uptrend. Why? We have this, we have that, we have this, we have that, we have this, we have that, we have this, and we have that. And these ones also have names. If I'm going fast, let me know. These ones also have names. You see, it's an uptrend. When I put it back, it's an uptrend. They also have names. We call this one a lower high, which is HL, a lower high. Sorry, a higher low rather, a higher low, not a lower high, sorry, a higher low. A higher low, and we call this one a higher high. They are all swings, but one swing is higher than the other swing. So, oh, where did it go? Okay. So this one is the same thing here and the same thing here. And this one is the same thing here and the same thing here. Why? Fine. This is a high, which price is 1.2347. And this is a low. Then price moved to a higher high. Why is this a higher high? This higher high is that this high is higher than this high. That's as simple as it is. This very high is higher than this high in price. This is the price zone, and price is moving up. You see, we see 1.2300. Now we see what? 1.300. So this one can be, let me say, 12 cedis, and this one can be 13 cedis. Let's say something like that. So 13 cedis is bigger and higher than 12 cedis. So now, right here, the price was what? Let's say 12 cedis, 35 pesos. And now here, the price is what? 12 cedis, 49 pesos. So this high is higher than this one. That's why we have a higher high. And now this high too is higher than this one. That's why we have this one too as a what? A higher high. So it's like a step form, but every high is higher than the other high. Then when you identify something like this, then you know that price is trending up. So we'll be looking for buys. You'll be looking to buy. Is there any question? Are you understanding it? Is there any question? No question. Okay.
No, please.
Okay, sure. So now I'm going to show you the downtrend. So that one is from here. We go to this level. We come here. We go downward. Then we come here. Then price is going down, which we are waiting for it to go more down. Currently, price is here, but we are waiting for it to go down. So if you move it here, we can also see that this is how price is. Price is doing a lower high, a lower low, a lower high, and a lower low. Price is doing a lower high, a lower low, and a lower high. I think our time is almost up. 9 minutes more. So let me just wrap up so that at least I know we are done with structures and candlesticks. We'll talk more on the page. So this one to here is called a lower high. And this one is called a lower low. Okay. Okay. So why is this a lower low? This is actually a low. If you see the price, we see 1.30. So let's say 13. And then this one is a lower high because although price is going down, this one is higher than this price. So this is a lower high. But in this case too, this one too is a lower high because this price is also what? Higher than this price. And this price is low, but this price is lower than this one. That's as simple as that. So we have a lower low, a lower low, a lower high, a lower low, a lower high. Then you continue to a lower low. So if you see something like this, then price is what's selling. So on the forex, in the forex market, whether price is selling or buying, we make money. You just have to know when to buy and when to sell. So if I teach you the strategies, you know that there was a change of character here where price moved from buying into selling, then start selling from here straight up. Then more money is coming into the pocket. That's as simple as that. You can see another sell here. So many sales, so many opportunities. But it takes time to learn all these things. So you just have to relax, just like university is. You don't rush, you learn small, small, small. And you don't just make money tomorrow. But when you learn and you're consistent or you're persistent with it, I think you make money. Because sometimes when you teach like this, you don't see what you are saying until you go to the chat every day to identify what I just said. when you go there every day to mark higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, to see that, oh, price is going up. So let me rule a line and see, the line is going up. Now let me rule a line here and see the line is going down. Then that means we are getting there. You get it now? The line is going down. That means a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. That's all. So this is it for today. We've learned candlesticks. We've learned candlesticks, and we've learned that we have a morning star, evening star, bullish and bearish engulfing candlesticks, which because of time, I would be posting the meanings of these things there. Even they are in the book that I put on the page, the book that you have to buy for you to be part of the master class. Kwame, when will you be buying the book? Hello? When would you like to join the master
The
class?
book will be tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Okay. Okay. You can tell your friends about it because the book is lesser than the actual price. Okay. Good. So that at least you can learn everything I know about forex trading. Then we
Yeah, a
can
friend
always.
of mine actually introduced me to you. So now,
Oh,
yeah. Yeah.
oh, okay. Okay. Okay, that's good.
Okay.
That's good. Okay. So you're on the page, right? I hope
Yeah.
you're okay, good, good.
I'm on the
So
page.
wonderful. So because of time, I would like to end here. So maybe I'll be putting certain definitions of other things on the page so that we will learn from it. But I want you guys to communicate on the page more. Like whatever you don't understand, you can just say it. I will just address it.
Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
So thank you for joining. And if you have any question, you can put it on the page. I'll address it. Okay. So, thank you for joining. Bye.
Okay. Thanks.